In this video, we are going to share with you 5 marketing reminders for startups when going digital. One's business presence is imperative in the digital age now that pre-existing businesses that made their mark much earlier. And digital marketing is essential considering it being. Number 1. Product-consumer linkage. Establishing good relationships foster loyal customers that can help you grow your business. Number 2. Costs less. Digital marketing is way cheaper than traditional marketing. With this, advertising your product or service doesn't need a pool of resources. Number 3. Visibility enhancement. Your visibility merely depends on how much traffic does your website gets. With technology's reach, it can easily be found by potential customers if optimized regularly. Number 4. Brand awareness. Brand awareness is crucial for startups, thus building awareness to your brand sets your visitors' trust and lasting impression to your business. Number 5. Genuine engagement. Up-to-date contents attract customers and spark conversations that will eventually lead to conversions. If you made up to this part of the video, we are giving you a bonus tip. Number 6. Choosing your approach. There are various digital marketing approaches you can choose from to better promote your business. One can browse through the internet to find some inspirations. To get more SEO videos like this, hit the like and subscribe button, and leave a comment below to let me know what you'd like to see next. Do you agree with our list? Join the discussion and let us know in the comments what you think. If you'd like help putting these cool ideas to work in your website, visit us at successionline.com.au, we'd love to help you.